The 2025 BYD Atto 3 is a compact electric SUV that blends modern design with advanced technology, offering an appealing option for those considering an electric vehicle. Pricing in Pakistan. In Pakistan, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 is priced at approximately PKR 8,990,000. This pricing positions it competitively within the electric SUV segment, offering a balance of features and affordability. Performance and range. The Atto 3 is equipped with an electric motor delivering 201 horsepower, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.9 seconds. It offers a range of up to 420 km on a single charge, depending on battery configuration and driving conditions. Charging capabilities. The vehicle supports fast charging, allowing the battery to charge from 30% to 80% within approximately 30 minutes. This feature enhances convenience for drivers, reducing downtime during long trips. Dimensions and design. The Atto 3 features a modern and aerodynamic design with dimensions that provide ample interior space: length, 4,455 mm, width, 1,875 mm, height, 1,615 mm, wheelbase, 2,720 mm. These dimensions contribute to a comfortable cabin experience for both driver and passengers. Interior features. The interior of the Atto 3 is designed with a focus on technology and comfort. Infotainment, a 12.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that can rotate between portrait and landscape orientations. Connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Sound system, a 6-speaker audio setup for an immersive listening experience. Seating, comfortable seating with quality materials, providing a pleasant ride for all occupants. Safety features. Safety is a priority in the Atto 3, with features such as autonomous emergency braking. AEB helps prevent collisions by automatically applying brakes when a potential impact is detected. Lane keeping assist assists the driver in maintaining lane position to enhance safety during travel. Adaptive cruise control maintains a set speed while adjusting to the flow of traffic, reducing driver fatigue on long journeys. Warranty. BYD offers a comprehensive warranty for the Atto 3, standard warranty, 6 years or 150,000 kilometers. Battery warranty, 8 years or 160,000 kilometers. Motor warranty, 8 years or 150,000 kilometers. This warranty coverage provides peace of mind to owners regarding the vehicle's longevity and reliability. Overall, the 2025 BYD Atto 3 stands out as a well-rounded electric SUV, offering a blend of performance, range, and modern features suitable for various driving needs. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 BYD Atto 3, you might find the following video review helpful.